Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains what the House Designer app is and how it's positioned. House Designer, also known as House Designer Fix and Flip, is a mobile simulation game that focuses on home renovation, interior design, and property management. According to the official App Store descriptions, players can purchase virtual houses and renovate them by cleaning, repairing, and redesigning different rooms. The same descriptions explain that users can decorate spaces with furniture, appliances, and design elements to transform the property's appearance. This video is an informational overview based on publicly available descriptions. It does not guarantee app performance or user satisfaction, which can vary based on individual experience and updates. Information from the official listing indicates that the game may allow players to complete renovation tasks such as painting walls, installing flooring, and rearranging furniture. The platform may also include gardening and landscaping features that allow users to redesign outdoor areas around the house. According to official descriptions, players can sell renovated properties in the game to earn in-game currency and continue working on new renovation projects. The developers describe House Designer as a simulation experience intended to let players experiment with home design and renovation ideas in a virtual environment. This app may be useful for users who enjoy renovation simulations and interior design gameplay. For people interested in home design simulation games that involve remodeling and decorating properties, this could be one possible option. Whether this app is worth using depends on individual needs and preferences. If you found this video helpful, feel free to drop a like and comment down below if you have any additional information on this app or notice anything missing or outdated.